Hi, my name is Muhammad Faizuddin and I am the project manager for our team.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Shami and I am user insight analyst for this project.
My name is Akmal Hakim and I am the lead designer of this project.
As a project manager, I ensure that my team members can do their work smoothly and every needs of the project are met. My significance in the project lies in the overall management of our project. I make sure that every deadline is met and the quality of the product produced is up to standard.
I just collect a lot of information from the user persona in order to point out their problem that they face in their house, which is a pest infestation. I also collect a lot of information from public using Google Form in order to collect the feedbacks from the user and use their feedbacks in order to improve our products in future.
As a lead designer myself, I lead the design team of this process and I also help our team throughout the design process of this project. As for my significance, I ensure that the user is able to use the product easily.
So we actually create a spray can. So before that, I will explain truly about the design first. So the design of the spray can is just same as any kind of a spray can, but we actually add more function into it. So we actually add AI camera and also the smart caps into our products. Our products actually can split into two compartments. The lower compartment of the spray can is actually manually spray and the upper one is automatically spray. So if user want to use our lower compartments of our spray can, the user must use our application first. So the user must click close compartment button in our application and then they can split the spray can into two. But the user must click or use the lower compartments manually in order to function the lower compartments. The ingredient or what is contained for upper and lower is actually different. Like example, for the upper one is for anti-lizard, for the lower compartment one is for anti-cockroach. So I will explain more about the lower compartment component, what is inside the compartment. So I will explain first about Arduino telecounter. What is the function of it? So the function is just to count how many times the user use the spray can in a day. So the second component inside the lower compartments is actually Raspberry Pi Pico. So the function is just for stores and also send the information to the smart caps. So the last component inside the lower compartments is actually Pogo pin. So Pogo pin is function for transfer the data, such as how many times the user click or use the spray can using the Arduino telecounter that I explained before. So they just use the Pogo pin directly to the smart caps. So the next one is the lid. So whenever the user split the spray can into two, the lid is for user whenever they want to manually spray because there is a button on the lid. On the lid, they also have a Pogo pin. So whenever the user reattach back the spray can bottle, the data that the user used before they split the spray can into two, whenever they use the lower compartment, the data is actually transferred to the smart caps and then the smart caps transfer the data to the application.
Our smart cap has many functionalities that is achieved by the components inside. At the front of the cap, you can see the lens which is used for the AI camera. For the camera, we use a Raspberry Pi Camera Module 3. The camera itself is 12 megapixels and it has autofocus capability. The camera is connected with an AI system which is used to detect and recognize most common pests inside the house. Our AI system improves pest control by using IoT, which is Internet of Things, and AI-based image recognition. Our smart cap also has the capabilities to connect with your home Wi-Fi. This is possible with the help of our Wi-Fi chipset. It can transfer data for about 5 MB per second, which is enough for our needs. The Wi-Fi chipset allows our smart cap to connect with the app so that the user can have more functionalities with the smart cap. For our transmitter and receiver, we use RX modules work and interface with Arduino. The transmitter will send signals to the phone to allow users to connect with the app. And after the connection with the app has been established, the smartphone will send back the signals to the receiver, allowing the Wi-Fi chipset to connect with your home Wi-Fi. All of this is powered by a 3.7 volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery. This battery is recharged using a normal USB-C wire. At the front of the cap, we have the nozzle where the contents of the can will be sprayed.
We designed the app specifically to be as user-friendly and informative to our end user for easier usage of our product. As you greeted by the app, we can connect to multiple rooms with multiple smart spray using wireless connection through Wi-Fi. For smart spray connected through the app, you are able to access many of our features such as battery monitoring, spray count monitoring, which including of our main features, which are AI camera and smart scheduling. Using the machine learning and AI camera, smart pests are able to detect and automatically sprays based on what it sees. For smart scheduling, our advanced technology can schedule itself and repeat on itself based on its spray schedule. For example, when you sleep or going to work. We also provided manual spraying in the app, or you can spray using the can itself. On top of that, we also provide manual scheduling for the user.